Yes, students, welcome to Higher Math online classes. So, without delaying, let's start the class. Please join quickly. Don't be late. Yes. In last classes, we have discussed about how we represent a polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and degree of the polynomial, and how many roots they have. Okay. Yes. In today's class, we are going to discuss about geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Yes, in last class, you come to know about how we find a zero of the polynomial and what about the linear polynomials zeros. Okay, yes, in today's class, we are going to discuss the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. First, we will discuss about linear polynomial. What is the geometrical meaning of linear polynomial? Yes, linear polynomial. And today it is very interesting class because I am going to connect this linear polynomial or linear equation, that is zero of the polynomial of linear equation. I am going to connect this concept to the one social concept, that is, all of you know about Ashoka Chakravarti. He is from Maurya dynasty, the greatest king of Maurya dynasty, Ashoka Chakravarti. So are you able to remember what is the capital city of Maurya dynasty? Patliputra. Yes, that Patliputra belongs to Bihar state. It comes here only. Here it lies. Patliputra comes here. See the blue dot. He decided to conquer the Kalinga Samrajya. It lies in Orissa. It comes here. Okay. See on this straight line. I already drawn here. Okay. See this line. I am going to show on Indian map. That is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 and half degree. And this line is standard meridian. Yes, Indian standard meridian. That is 82.5 degree east Rekonsha. Yes, Purva Rekonsha. And this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree. I am going to use this map concept to show how we represent a straight line and how we represent a zero of the polynomial on the graph. Okay. See, in earlier classes, in ninth class, we have learnt about straight line. We represent a straight line. Y is equal to ax plus c. Yes, this is the equation of straight line. Okay, and see, remember one thing here. This Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? Yes, it passes through 8 states. Yes, this Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. So those states are, yes, Gurma Praja, BMTC. Are you able to remember? Gurma means Go means Gujarat. Yes, Ra means Rajasthan. Yes, MA means Ma means Madhya Pradesh. Yes, this Mapra means Gurma Prabha. Gurma Praja DMTC. Mapra represents Madhya Pradesh. Ja represents Jharkhand. This is the shortcut to remember 8 Indian states. Okay, Jharkhand. BMTC. This B shows West Bengal. B means Bengal, that is West Bengal. M means Mizoram. T Tripura. C Chhattisgarh. Okay. See Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Mizoram, Tripura, and Chhattisgarh. These 8 Indian states, the Tropic of Cancer passes through these 8 Indian states. And I have one question today for you on this concept. This standard meridian passes through which city in India? Okay, so please comment in the chat box whoever is watching or join in the course class. Please comment in chat box which city. Okay, through which city the standard meridian passes. Okay, you have to answer in the comment box. This is one question I am giving to here. Okay, yes. See, let's come to our topic. See the forward Gurma Praja DMTC. Gurma Praja DMTC, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bengal, okay, Mizoram, Tripura, and Chhattisgarh. Yes. Okay. Patiputra belongs to here. Okay, Patiputra belongs to here in the Bihar state, and Orissa belongs to Kalinga belongs to Orissa state is here. Okay. When he wants to conquer Kalinga, he passes through this line. Means he is moving in this way. This is the straight line. Okay. In this straight line, he is moving. When we join this Patliputra and Kalinga, we are able to line a straight line. A straight line we represent as y equal to ax plus b, and this straight line equation is exactly y equal to 4x minus 6. Means the Ashok Chakravarti is passing through this straight line y equal to 4x minus 6. Okay. See, when Ashoka is moving through this line to conquer Kalinga, he is passing through this point, that is the Tropic of Cancer point. He is passing through this point, that point is here. Okay, this point is exactly 3 upon 2. What we get here, the 0 of the polynomial 3 by 2. Okay, he is crossing this Tropic of Cancer. It means on the graph, this straight line is crossing this x-axis exactly at this point. That point is 3 by 2. See how we get here. Yesterday, in yesterday class, you come to know about 0 of the polynomial, how we find. Okay, x equal to what about linear polynomial minus b by a, that is the 0 of the polynomial. See, minus what is x a b here, constant term, that is minus 6 divided by coefficient of x, that is a is my 4 here. Okay, see how we say that minus into minus plus 6 upon 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Okay, get x equal to 3 by 2. So what is passing through this point? Yes, this is the 0 of the polynomial, means where the straight line intersect the x-axis. Okay, linear equation or straight line intersect the x-axis. X-axis. That point we call it as a 0 of the polynomial. This is actual meaning of the 0 of the polynomial. How we represent on the graph. Okay. See, on the graph, x coordinates are here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is positive x-axis. Yes, and here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is negative x-axis. Yes. And here positive y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. This is positive y-axis, and negative y-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this. This is negative y-axis. Okay, positive y, positive x-axis is here. Okay, yes, here how we get the equation of this statement y equal to 4x minus 6. Yes, see here actual graph looks like this. Hmm? This is positive y-axis. Okay, and this is the straight line that is represents 4x minus 6 linear equation, that is a straight line. Okay, just I am going to explain this one using the social concept on Indian map. With Ashoka Chakravarti conquering the Kalinga. Okay, let's see. When we take some values for x, the given equation is y equal to 4x minus 6. Okay, when x equal to 2, what will be the y? Okay, see when you put here 4 into 2 minus 6. So 4 to the 8 minus 6 equal to 2, means when x equal to 2, y will be 2. Yes, when x equal to 1, what will be the y? So, 4 into 1 minus 6. Yes, 4 on the 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. Yes, means y equal to minus 2. See, is the points are on this line, and x equal to 2, y will be 2. See here, and x is equal to 2. Yes, y will be 2. The point lies on this line. See second point, when x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2. Yes, and x equal to 1, y will be minus 2. The points lie here. Okay, yes, on this point. Yes, these 2 points lie on this line, and we are able to join the points. We are able to draw a straight line. Okay, that is the way of Ashoka Chakravarti moving to this line. Okay, see what is the actual meaning of geometrical meaning of the zero of the polynomial. Where the point intersect the x-axis, that point we call it as a zero of the polynomial. Okay, it cuts exactly at only one point, not more than one. Okay, that's why linear equation or linear polynomial has only one root. Linear polynomial has only one root or one zero of the polynomial, that is intersecting y-axis, intersecting x-axis. That point is the x coordinate. Okay, for this equation or for the reciprocals way, the intersecting point is 3 by 2. Okay, how much? 3 by 2. Yes, this is all about linear equation and a straight line, which is of the polynomial geometrical meaning. See, next our discuss is about geometrical meaning of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, see, here there is one equation is given in your textbook, y equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Yes, yesterday we have discussed what is the degree of this polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Yes, DOP degree of polynomial is 2, and the degree of polynomial is 2. That is the quadratic equation. And the quadratic equation has how many roots? We have discussed yesterday. Maximum 2 roots are there. Okay, see, when we give some values for x, we will get here y values. when x equal to minus 2, y becomes, see I'm writing here, y equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 is there in the given equation. Okay, and we put x value minus 2, see minus 2 square minus 3 into x is minus 2 and minus 4. See how much we get here, minus 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 and minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 become cancel 0, the remaining is only 6. It means when x equal to minus 2, the y will be 6. See the point is when x equal to minus 2 is here, y will be 6. Okay, this 6 is here. Okay, and see next second point, when x equal to minus 2, y becomes 0. See the point lies here. When x equal to minus 1, okay, the point is here. When x equal to minus 2, y becomes 0. And third point, when x equal to 0, y becomes minus 4. When x equal to 0, y becomes minus 4. See here the x is 0, y becomes minus 4. Third point. Fourth point, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 6. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 6. Okay, here it is. See next point, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 6. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 6 is here. Okay. Next x equal to 3, y equal to minus 4. X equal to 3, y equal to minus 4. The point is here. Okay. When x equal to 4, y equal to 0. When x equal to 4, y equal to 0. The point is here. Okay. And last, when x equal to 5, y equal to 6. And x equal to 5, y becomes positive 6. The point lies here. See, after putting x values to this equation, we get these y values. Okay, and we plot these points on the graph. After joining these points, we get a this type of curve. Okay, this curve we name it as a parabola. What is the name of the curve? Parabola. Okay, the curve name is parabola. Okay, for any quadratic equation, we get this type of curve. That is the parabola curve. Okay, you need not necessary to take this much values for x. Maximum you have to take 4 values. Okay, you will get y values and you are able to draw the curve. See here, actual meaning of geometrical meaning of the quadratic equation. We have two roots. Yes, you know quadratic equation has two roots. It means 2 points. Okay, this curve is intersecting on x-axis at only these 2 points. Okay, see here one point is intersecting here, another point is intersecting here. Here x is equal to 1, here x is equal to 4. When this curve intersect x-axis at that time, y becomes 0. Yes, see here y becomes 0. Yes, I hope you are able to get the answer for the geometric for the zeros of the polynomial meaning. Okay, zeros of the polynomial meaning where the curve of straight line intersect the x-axis. Okay. See nature. So here, when the curve is upward facing, and the curve is facing upward, see in this diagram you will get here. Here the curve is facing upward. Okay. Upward facing means in this quadratic equation a is greater than 0. Okay, and here the parabola is facing downward. It means the coefficient of x square of the quadratic equation is less than 0. Means a is less than 0. Okay, see the concept. When a is less than 0, you will get a downward curve. When a is greater than 0, you will get upward curve like this. Okay. So here also this downward curve means a is less than 0 curve is intersecting at a point and at point a dash. Here upward curve is intersecting x-axis at point a, at point a dash. Okay, it means two roots are there. Okay, remember when a is greater than 0, parabola faces upward. When a is less than 0, parabola faces downward. Okay, see, roots are maximum 2. Yes, maximum 2 roots is there. Means more than, not more than 2. Okay, see here in this diagram, in these two diagrams, the curve is touching x-axis exactly at only one point. Here it is at a, here it is at a. This is downward curve, this is upward curve. Means here a is what? A is less than 0. Here it is a is greater than 0. Okay. When the curve touches only at one point on the x-axis, it means the root is only one. Only one root is there. Here also only one root is there. It means two roots are coinciding. Two roots are coinciding. See, remember these words and points very important for MCQ questions. Okay, two roots are coincide means when two roots are coincide, we get only one point on the x-axis. That is the intersecting point. Okay, it means two equal roots. Two equal roots means x equal to 1 by 2, another one also x equal to 1 by 2. Or if we have x equal to 2, and the root is also x equal to 2. Okay, if we have equal roots, it means two roots are coinciding. We get here only one intersecting point. If two roots are there, two roots means two different roots, two distinct roots. Okay, two distinct roots. Two distinct roots, in both the roots are different. If one is x equal to 1 by 2, and the one is maybe x equal to 3 or x equal to 2 or anything. Both are different roots. At that time, we get here different intersecting points on the x-axis. Okay. Yes. Today, I will stop class here only. Please like, share, and subscribe, and join the class in our Firemath tab. You will get complete details of the class, complete syllabus, okay, live classes and recorded classes also. Okay. Please introduce to your friends about cosine app. Okay, and the link is in description box. We hope to download it and join the classes. Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss cubic polynomial, geometrical meaning. Okay, cubic polynomial, polynomial geometric meaning, and exercise. First exercise, that is, okay. Tomorrow our discussion is on cubic polynomials, geometrical meaning, zeros of the polynomial of cubic polynomial, and exercise solving. So tomorrow don't miss the class. Please attend everyone. If you miss the class, you will miss the concept. Okay. Yes, thank you one and all.